Welcome back to Cloud Campus Africa, where we are dedicated to teaching you everything you need to know about cloud computing and how it can benefit businesses in Africa. Today, we're going to talk about cloud infrastructure. What is cloud infrastructure? Cloud infrastructure is the fundamental building block of cloud computing. It comprises of the hardware and software components that provide the computing resources required to run applications and services in the cloud. There are three primary types of cloud infrastructure technologies: virtual machines, containers, and serverless computing. First, let us look at virtual machines. A virtual machine is a software emulation of a physical computer that runs on a physical server. VMs enable multiple operating systems to run on a single physical machine, allowing for better utilization of hardware resources and improved scalability. For example, imagine that Burg Donkey wants to host a website on the cloud. By deploying a VM, they can create a virtual machine instance with the desired operating system, memory, and storage specifications, and then install and configure the web server and application software on it. Second, containers. A container is an isolated, lightweight runtime environment that runs an application and its dependencies. Containers enable developers to package applications into a portable, consistent format that can run anywhere, without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. For instance, if Burg Donkey wants to deploy a microservices-based application, they can use containers to package each microservice into a separate container, enabling independent deployment and scaling of each service. And lastly, serverless computing. Serverless computing is a model in which cloud providers manage the underlying infrastructure and automatically provision and scale compute resources as needed. In serverless computing, developers write code in the form of functions that execute in response to specific events. An example of serverless computing for Burg Donkey could be the deployment of a chatbot. They can write code that listens for user messages and responds appropriately, and then deploy the code to a serverless platform that automatically scales up and down based on the traffic. In addition to these computing resources, cloud infrastructure also includes cloud storage solutions such as object storage, block storage, and file storage, which enable businesses like Burg Donkey to store and manage their data in the cloud. Let us take a minute to look at these in greater detail and understand how businesses utilize each. First, object storage. Object storage is a type of cloud storage that enables businesses to store and manage large amounts of unstructured data, such as images, videos, and documents. Object storage uses a flat address space, making it easier to access and manage data at scale. Examples of object storage services include Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage. For example, Burg Donkey could use object storage to store media files for their various businesses such as videos, images, and documents in the cloud. Second, block storage. Block storage is a type of cloud storage that enables businesses to store and manage structured data, such as databases and virtual machine disk images. Block storage operates at the block level, providing faster access to data than object storage. Examples of block storage services include Amazon Elastic Block Store, Alibaba Cloud Block Storage, Azure Disk Storage, and Google Cloud Persistent Disk. For instance, if Burg Donkey decides to deploy a database application on the cloud, they could use block storage to store the database files and ensure fast access and efficient management of the data. And finally, file storage. File storage is a type of cloud storage that enables businesses to store and manage files in a hierarchical directory structure similar to traditional file systems. File storage provides high performance and low latency access to files, making it ideal for applications that require shared file systems. Examples of file storage services include Amazon Elastic File System, Azure File Storage, and Google Cloud File Store. If, for example, Burg Donkey wants to deploy a shared storage system for their offices across Africa, they could use file storage to create a central file system that is accessible from anywhere. In conclusion, cloud storage solutions enable businesses like Burg Donkey to store and manage their data in the cloud, providing numerous advantages such as scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Thank you for choosing Cloud Campus Africa as your educational resource for cloud computing. We're thrilled to have you as a part of our community, and we're excited to continue delivering top-notch content that will help you achieve your goals. But we're not done yet. In fact, we're just getting started. So we invite you to join us on the next leg of our journey, as we explore even more cutting-edge topics and dive deeper into the world of cloud computing. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your skills to the next level. Be sure to subscribe to Cloud Campus Africa's channel and turn on the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest lessons and insights. Together, we'll continue to unlock the full potential of the cloud and achieve even greater success in the years to come.